Hey, I have this keyboard to be shared with you. It comes beautifully packaged, and on the inside here, it comes with a USB-C cord. It comes with some extra keys in case you want to switch them out. You have some extra ones here for those just in case, because there are some blue ones on here. If you want them all to be white, you can do so. Of course, you have your lovely keyboard right here. There you go. And I love the way these keys feel. They're very quiet and the bounce back is very nice. And they feel great. I don't know. I like the texture of them and the sounds they do make. On the back here you have some clips, so if you want to have it like angled up, you're able to do so. Okay, so I now have it plugged into my computer and it is black lit, so you can change the settings of the light. As soon as you plug it in, it is automatically connected, so I'm able to type and it goes straight to the computer, no having to do any sort of connection or anything like that. And this is compatible with iOS, Mac, and Windows, and you can fluctuate between what you're on. So I highly recommend this. I think this is a great keyboard. It works perfectly. I love all the features on it. It tells you all the combinations and shortcuts you can do on it too in the user's manual. So this is overall just a 10 out of 10 keyboard. And if you are looking for a keyboard, this is the one I would tell you to get. Definitely check this out.